Hello crypto family, welcome back to CryptoTubes. I'm your host Paras, and in today's video I will take you through the wallet of Islamic Coin, which is HAQQ Wallet. Now this wallet belongs to HAQQ network, whose native currency is Islamic Coin or ISLM. And in this video I will tell you how you can use the wallet, what are its function, how you can operate. If you are a newbie who's new to cryptocurrency and want to purchase Islamic Coin, there is a way we can teach you how you can get it. So let's get started. Now before I get into the details and explain about HAQQ Wallet, remember to press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon if you haven't done already, and remember to join our Telegram community of Web3 investors and Web3 enthusiasts. This group will help you grow in the crypto space and help you provide the right knowledge at the right time. Moreover, in this group we are running our community sale especially for members focused on Islamic token. Yes, we are doing the private sale of Islamic token which are real. How? I will show you in this video. Now let's talk about HAQQ Wallet. Remember, this is the HAQQ network. I talked about this network sometime back during the early days, and I talked a lot about Islamic Coin. If you want to watch those videos, the link is shared in the description of this video, so go check out all the videos to learn about the token, the network, and the person behind this network. Now this is HAQQ. If you want to install the wallet and start transacting your Islamic tokens, you need to click on this option, which is wallet. Remember to go to this website only, HAQQ network. Do not visit any other website which can be scam site. So always go to haqq.network and go to the wallet option. Click on wallet option. It will give you the option to download the wallet either from the App Store or the Google Play, or you can download the .apk file. So it will look like this, and once you download it on your mobile device, then the next step will come, which I will show you. Now before that, remember we are running the Islamic token sale. We have covered a detailed video on it. It is shared right on my channel, and you can see this is the video. You can watch it to learn more about how this token we are running, how we are selling this token, and how it is 100% verified. It is a private sale token, not public sale, which means we are launching it before the Islamic token is available to trade for all the people. It is members only, so those who are or those who joined our Telegram community have the access to this token. And now I will prove you how it is a legit and a totally valuable token to trade. Let me show you the tutorial of HAQQ Wallet. So I'm inside the HAQQ Wallet. You can see in front of your screen, this is the home page, and you can see all the tabs here: last transaction, raffles, staking, and below you can see the ambassador program, in which they were explaining how to participate and become an ambassador. Click on it, and once you click on this ambassador program, it will take you through this link where you can read about their program, and of course you can participate if you like to. Now coming back, below is the governance, and let me go back on top. So on the top right hand side, so here you can add account. On the top right hand side you can see a scanning option. This is to scan any wallet. You can scan any wallet, and now if you want to check what is your address, click on the receive button, and at the bottom you can copy your address. So this is how you can copy your address. And if you want to send the tokens to someone, just enter their address here and click continue, and of course you need to follow the process and your token will be sent to the sent address. So this is send and receive, and click on last transaction. So here you can see the total balance 26.62. All this transaction happened on the mainnet, and that's why I'm telling you whatever token that I have received, whatever token that we are selling are legitimate because they are on the mainnet. Check here, they are on the mainnet. Click below on the block explorer and see this. The transaction is confirmed. It is on the mainnet. Only the legitimate tokens will be able to pass through this explorer. So that's why what the token we are selling is totally 100% legal. So this is weekly raffle. Weekly raffle, actually a reward program, a lottery kind of thing. You can participate, and if you're lucky you can win 1000 ISLM tokens. Check this out on a daily basis. And next is staking. So on top you can see below ISLM it's written 0.01 logged. So I have staked 0.01 token. Click on staking, and click on validators here. You can see the details, the snapshot here of the staking part, 0.01 staked. Click on validators. So these are the list of validators, and you can see the percentage APR they're giving on the yearly basis. Click on the top one. So I have staked on this validator, Sharia staking. You can see the details. I can undelegate the tokens by clicking undelegate, but here's the condition: your funds will be logged for 21 days. So remember, before you stake the tokens, your funds will be logged. So only stake if you want to lock your tokens. Okay. So after staking, we go down and see the governance. So this is governance. That means the voting part of it. You can check the tabs. Any proposal is placed here. You can also put forth your proposal, and if it's accepted, it will be on the past section. So that's the part of the proof of stake blockchain, which is also HAQQ network. It is POS blockchain. This is a new section. Any news you want to see, you can see by clicking the news section. And this is the important part: settings. Go to manage account, and in the manage account, you can check all the tabs. You can rename the account. This is the main account. I am renaming at Katosh Tubes, which is my account. So Katosh Tubes. So now it will reflect as Katosh Tubes. You can see here. You can also change the style. By clicking change style, you can change the look of your wallet. You can see, just play around with it, either flat or gradient or circle or rhombus. Just play around and choose whatever you like. So this is the feature that I like the most, because you don't get such features on other wallets. So definitely the HAQQ team has put in work by customizing or giving the customizable options to the wallet holders. Generate it, save it. And of course, these are other options that you can check: recovery phrase and hide account. Let me go back and go to address book, where you can save the contacts. Like for daily transactions, you can save it. And third is appearance, light and dark. So this is light mode. Whatever you like, do it. And I prefer dark, so let it be dark. So next is notification security. Of course, these are predefined. You can set up security, you can set up push notification and other stuff. Finally, the providers, which is very important. It is mainnet. So my account, or you can say my wallet, is on mainnet. This is the address, complete details, and that makes my token legitimate. On the mainnet, we have ISLM token, and this is the about section. You can check that out. So this is pretty much about the tokens, about the wallet. If you have any question, comment below. And let me refresh it. So that's how it looks. It is the updated version of HAQQ wallet. Very impressive, very smooth, and very simple UI. I love it. Comment below how you find it. So that's how easy you can operate with HAQQ wallet. We are almost done with our token sale of ISLM token after getting a good response. But here is your last chance. You can go to our Telegram community, go to this ISLM token sale, and you can place your order. We have a verified seller who's in Dubai and who can meet you face to face if you live in that place, or you can do the transaction online. It is 100% verified. I have showed you in the video. It's up to you to decide whether you will wait for public or buy the token in the private sale. So that's about the video. Do watch the video shared on the end screen. These are all helpful videos related to HAQQ network or Islamic Coin. Now with that, I say goodbye. I see you in the new video. Till then, thumbs up and have a nice day.